Hello friends, this is your friend Technical Manus. In this video, we will cover the smart ring gadget. This is new trends we are looking in wearable technology where we are slowly replacing some work of smartwatch replacing with smart ring. Smart rings are now widely available in market from various companies like Boat, Aabo, Heart, Gabit and so on. I have recently purchased both Ring, Aabo Ring, and here is the unboxing of both Smart Ring and Aabo Smart Ring. I have used both Boat and Aabo Smart Rings compared to Boat Smart Ring. Aabo Ring delivers more promising results for sleep tracking. Even if you take small nap, Aabo Smart Ring detects that nap time. But with Boat, I never experienced this. In terms of step count and heart rate tracking, both are working fine with plus or minus 5% accuracy. I guess that should be fine. Comment your thoughts about smart rings future and what features you want to add in smart rings. I think making payments through smart rings is future. Thank you.